चलो लेट्स कंटिन्यू। अभी तक हम लोगों ने यूटिलिटी के 3 फीचर्स पढ़े। अभी हम लोग पढ़ेंगे यूटिलिटी का 4th फीचर, यूटिलिटी इज़ डिफरेंट फ्रॉम यूजफुलनेस। उसके बाद पढ़ेंगे 5th, यूटिलिटी इज़ डिफरेंट फ्रॉम प्लेजर। एंड 6th इज़ यूटिलिटी इज़ डिफरेंट फ्रॉम सेटिस्फैक्शन। मैं तुम लोगों को बता रहा हूँ, यूटिलिटी का मराठी और हिंदी में मीनिंग होता है उपयोगिता। यूजफुलनेस इज कॉल्ड एज उपयुक्तता। प्लेजर इज कॉल्ड एज समाधान, सॉरी, प्लेजर इज कॉल्ड एज आनंद, एंड सेटिस्फैक्शन इज कॉल्ड एज समाधान. So utility is different from usefulness, it is different from pleasure, and it is different from satisfaction. एक एक करके मैं एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ, ध्यान से सुनो. किसी भी कमोडिटी के कंजम्पशन से मिलने वाली यूटिलिटी, इफ इट सेटिस्फाइज अ मॉरल वांट, देन दैट कंजम्पशन हैज़ अ यूजफुलनेस, अदरवाइज इट डोंट हैव यूजफुलनेस. एक स्टेटमेंट ध्यान से सुनो. पॉइजन हैज़ यूटिलिटी but it don't have usefulness. Poison has utility but it don't have usefulness, because if you will drink poison you will be dead. So fruit juice will have, milk have utility and usefulness both, but poison only has utility, it don't have usefulness. If the consumption of a commodity is danger for human health, human life, then the commodity may have usefulness, the commodity may have utility, it don't have usefulness. It means if the commodity is useful for human being, then it has utility and usefulness both. But if the consumption of commodity is harmful for human being, then the commodity only has utility, it don't have usefulness. You can see the example. Milk has both utility and usefulness, because if you will drink milk, it is good. But liquor, that is daru, it has utility only, but it don't have usefulness, because its consumption is injurious to health. 5th feature is called as utility is different from pleasure. Very simple. If a person is ill and if he will take an injection, that medicine will cure him. It means that injection will render him utility, but it will not give any pleasure, that is khushi or ananda, to the person, because it is not something sort of enjoyment. Right? If you will drink watermelon juice, it will give you pleasure and utility. But if you will drink any bitter juice, for example bitter medicines, it will give you utility but not pleasure. So utility is different from pleasure. Lastly, utility is different from satisfaction. To explain this, I would like to say one statement. Please listen to it carefully. Utility is present in a commodity before its consumption, and satisfaction derives after consumption. It means if a thirsty person is there, then a glass of water has utility to that particular person. But when the particular thirsty person will consume water, the glass of water, satisfaction is derived after its consumption. Utility was present in that commodity before its consumption. Satisfaction is derived after consumption. So satisfaction is the end result of consumption, and utility is the beginning of the consumption. Utility is present in a commodity before its consumption, and once you consume that commodity, satisfaction derives. Hence, utility and satisfaction are totally different concepts. This was 6th feature. Now, 7th feature is measurement of utility is hypothetical. That is, you cannot measure utility in cardinal numbers. You cannot measure utility in numerics, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Pay attention. You can measure utility in ordinal numbers, that is levels, but you cannot measure utility in cardinal numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So cardinal measurement of utility is not possible. This was 7th feature. Now, eighth feature is very easy. Utility is multi-purpose. There are various commodities which will render you multi-purpose utility. For example, electricity, for example, coal, for example, money, for example, water. These things are there with lots of utility. You can use electricity to satisfy several wants at a time. So utility from electricity is multi-purpose. Ninth feature, utility is dependent upon intensity of want. Intensity of wants का मतलब होता है sharpness, जिसको मराठी और हिंदी में बोला जाता है तीव्रता. तुम्हारी ज़रूरत कितनी इंटेंस है, तुम्हारी ज़रूरत कितनी इमेंस है, उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है द लेवल ऑफ यूटिलिटी डिराइव्ड बाय यू. इफ योर वांट इज अर्जेंट you will have more utility. If your want is less urgent, you may or may not have utility. अगर हम लोग खाना खिलाएंगे एक भूखे आदमी को और अगर हम लोग खाना खिलाएंगे एक ऐसे आदमी को जिसने अब भी 2 मिनट पहले ही अपना खाना ख़त्म किया है, so the second person will not have utility. Utility from food will be derived by a hungry person because he was hungry. His intensity of want was more. Hence, he will derive greater amount of utility. So, utility is dependent upon intensity of want. More intensity of want, more the utility. Lesser the intensity of want, lesser the utility. Now, 10th feature is utility is basis of demand. This is the last feature of utility. Utility is the basis of demand. It is very easy. Whenever a person demands any commodity, whenever a person purchases any commodity, it is only due to the utility of that commodity. If a person don't have utility in a commodity, he will not purchase, he will not demand that commodity. For example, being a vegetarian person, I will never demand non-vegetarian food because non-vegetarian food will not have utility for me. You will purchase medicine only if you are sick, only if you are ill. If you are physically fit, then you don't have utility in medicines, so you are not going to purchase medicines. Hence, we can say that utility is the basis of demand. A person will only demand a commodity if he has got utility from that commodity. So, these are the features of utility. Now in our next schedule we are going to see the types of utility.